Hey guys, this is Ajay Singh. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to talk about blockchain and the Bitcoin transactions. Without wasting time, let's get started. What is blockchain? Blockchain was founded in 1991. Blockchain is the technology that allows any participant in the network to see the one system of ledger. It stores data in blocks which are connected to each other and making a chain of blocks. In the block, it has data, hash, and the hash of previous block. Hash is nothing, it is an unique identifier through which we can identify the block. In the block, if you will change the data in the block, it will automatically change the hash of that block, and later it will lose its connection with its next block. This process will go on until all the hash of next blocks will be changed. Different types of data can be stored in blockchain, but the most important and common and trending use of blockchain is to store ledger for transactions. Now let's take an example of blockchain, that is Bitcoin, which is the most trending cryptocurrency of this world. It was founded in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. He said it is a new electronic cash system that is fully peer-to-peer with no trusted third party. Now let's talk about how Bitcoin transaction works. All the computer or participants of Bitcoin and blockchain are connected through peer-to-peer network. In peer-to-peer network, each computer acts as a client as well as server. So let's see the steps included in the transaction of Bitcoin. First of all, let a new transaction enter in the step 1. It will be shared to the network of computers around the world which are connected through peer-to-peer network. Step 3. These computers will add this transaction and will verify it into their own blockchain. Step 4. After the confirmation by the peer-to network participants, the new transaction gets approval. In the step 5, the new block of this transaction now chained together with the previous blocks in the transaction ledger. In the final step, the transaction of Bitcoin complete. Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency which is using blockchain. There are a lot more cryptocurrencies available like Ethereum, Ripple, Dogecoin, Stellar and Dash. They are also using blockchain. Blockchain concept is not just ended at cryptocurrency. Its ability to create transparency makes it usable in private as well as public sectors. These days, blockchain is also implementing in different ways to help society other than just recording transactions. There are a lot of companies which are using blockchain such as Walmart, Pfizer, AIG, Siemens, Unilever, IBM. These are the most popular companies which are using blockchain. Blockchain has its lot more applications such as cloud storage. Cloud storage is also one of the best example of blockchain. As you all know about Google Drive, Amazon Drive, Dropbox, these are the cloud storage platforms works on the concept of blockchain. Blockchain is also usable in government sector. In record management, national, state and local governments are responsible for maintaining individuals' record such as birth and death dates, marital status or property transfers. Yet managing these data can be difficult, and to this day some of these records only exist in paper form, and sometimes citizens have to physically go to their local government offices to make changes, which is time consuming, unnecessary and frustrating. Blockchain technology could simplify this record keeping and make the data far more secure. Blockchain being used as a way to vote in democratic elections. Blockchain technology has the ability to make the voting process more easily accessible while improving security. Hackers would be no match to blockchain technology because even if someone were to access the terminal, they wouldn't be able to affect other nodes. Each vote would be attributed to one ID, and with the ability to create a fake ID being impossible, government officials could tally votes more efficiently and effectively. It is also used for cybersecurity. The biggest advantage for blockchain in cybersecurity is that it removes the risk of single point of failure. Blockchain tech also provide end-to-end encryption and privacy. So this was the concept of blockchain. Hope it will help you to understand the blockchain and how the Bitcoin transactions work. To get more videos like this, please subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon. Don't forget to share. We'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.